Here we will finish the second half of our dormer roof and carve out the front and back just like it is on there. So let's get started on here. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set my work plane using my quick access toolbar. I'm going to use my set work plane and I'm going to set it to be on my level 2. I'll be able to set my sketch on there. And I'm going to create a void extrusion. So I'm going to go architecture, component, model in place. I'm going to use a roof so that way it behaves like a roof with the visibility and organization. And now I'm going to say void extrusion. And I'm going to set, just to make sure, I'm going to say set my work plane, make sure I'm on 2. I don't have to, but this will help. And now I'm going to go to a level, I think I'll go to this, the site plan will be up nice and high in this view. Now I'm carving out my shape. So I'm going to say, okay, I have a center line there and the front of that eyebrow is going to kind of look like this. And that's going to be the shape. From there, it doesn't matter, oops, what I do. So I'm just, because I'm outside. So I'm going to say, okay, well, then it's going to go like this and like that. Okay, then I can take this and mirror it to the other side. That's the important part, right? Now I can take this also if I want and mirror that about here. Boom, click out, and then I just do a little bit of trimming, trim, who cares, these guys. Okay, that's going to be the negative shape. Now I'm going to go back to my 3D view just to see it. There it is there on the second work plane. Okay, and I'm going to set the thickness of it, click out and set it to be, maybe 10 feet, and then hit finish, and it's going to extrude up. Okay, and I can take that big block of negative. Okay, there it is there. And now I just extract it. So I say cut. This is the thing. I can pick it in any order. From here, this. Hit finish, and there's the first part of my eyebrow.